Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer your TikTok shop balance to GCash directly from the TikTok app. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, what we first want to do is go ahead and open up TikTok. Then from here, click onto your profile bottom right hand corner of the page. And then once we're here and logged in, we want to click on the three horizontal bars and then click into settings and privacy. Then once you're inside here, we need to tap on balance, and then inside balance, go ahead and withdraw funds. So under the balance section, you will see your available earnings. Tap on withdraw, and then you need to link your GCash account. So if you haven't linked your GCash account yet, tap on add a new withdrawal method, select GCash from the list of available options. Enter your GCash account details and follow the prompts to complete the linking process. From there, simply confirm the withdrawal. So enter the amount you wish to withdraw, confirm the transaction by tapping withdraw now. From there, wait for the transfer. So this can take up to a few minutes for this to happen. Once completed, the funds will appear in your GCash wallet.